We start a story in 1969 when Ken Compson and Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs create Unix. It was a breakthrough, small, portable and elegant compared to the bloated systems of the time. Unix became the soil in which everything else would later grow. Then in the mid-1970s, Richard Stallman begins his crusade for software freedom. In 1983 he launched the GNU project with the goal of making a free Unix-like system. A critical piece was the GNU C compiler, first released in 1987. GCC made it easy to build and share software on many platforms, and it spread through wildfire through universities and hacker communities. That compiler was crucial when in 1991, Linus Torvalds, a student in Finland, released the version of the Linux kernel. He used GCC to build it, and the wider free software ecosystem meant others could join in. That same year, across the Atlantic, Guido and Vossum published the first release of Python, building on Unix and C foundations to make programming friendlier and more productive. Meanwhile, in the mid-1990s, James Gosling and his team at Sun created Java, with its big innovation, a just-in-time compiler. Java programs could be portable yet fast, because bytecode was compiled to machine code on the fly. That JIT idea fed back into Python in the 2000s. Armin Rigo developed the PyPy project, with its origins around 2003, and major JIT work landed in 2007. PyPy applied JIT compilation to Python, proving that a dynamic high-level language could run with speed close to C, faster than Rust.